The TEK4 6G Aero fast hole drill machine is the latest generation of our most compact size machine. It encompasses world-leading performance capabilities and is specifically designed to drill aero parts. The machine's compact footprint, along with the ability to place machines paint to paint, utilises space effectively. A side access door has been added to allow access for maintenance and so that it can be easily integrated into a robot cell. TEK4's latest user interface has been completely updated and redesigned, enabling TEK4's advanced features to be easily accessible and programmed. The latest generation control system has advanced connectivity, allowing real-time data gathering and remote status monitoring. The new control system has on-screen documentation, providing manuals, training videos and customer machine care videos. One of the key features of the TEK4 Aero FHD EDM machine is its inbuilt CMM probe. Using TEK4's 3 steps to accuracy procedure, the probe is used to set the machine, qualifying all 5 axes and setting the work datum. Then it aligns the electrode to the machine, setting new tool datums. And finally, it sets the part to the machine using a 6-point nest procedure. TEK4's tooling system has been redesigned for the 6th generation of technology. It includes tool-specific flushing and is simple in design, resulting in reliable, cost-effective and a highly accurate system. 3-part flushing and air purging is also an option on the table chuck. The auto tool changing system and the intelligent electrode changing process enables the machine to run for longer periods without human interaction. The 6G Aero machine uses TEK4's PulseTek EDM technology, which is specifically designed for rapid EDM hole drilling in aero parts. Flexible parameter process programming and adaptive software combine to give outstanding performance. Breakthrough detection and pre-breakthrough detection technology can be used to detect when an electrode is breaking through, which enables holes to be drilled into small cavities without any electrode overrun, and this compensates for casting thickness variations. TEK4's advanced shape hole technology combines accuracy and flexibility with process speed. New shaped holes can be programmed simply by either a CAD/CAM route or by using a built-in machine macro. Shaped hole performance combined with exceptional metallurgical results are a key distinguishing feature of the 6G FHD technology. Built at TEK4's main facility in Leicester in the United Kingdom, short delivery times and robust support are achieved.